Hey guys, Savage Former SF at your service, taking a look at the Easy Fold fidget toy. This is a fun toy. I am not gonna lie, this is a fun toy. It is my own creation, inspired by absolutely nothing. Just a fun fidget toy. And the reason it's called the Easy Fold is because it's easy to make. It only requires 8 of these things, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these plates. So that's pretty easy to make. Oh, and these pieces to just hold it in place. But you don't need them if you don't want them. So yeah, sorry about the lighting. I don't think I can get that fixed, but I might. Just before we start, let's just hit that subscribe button. And my next video, you'll take a look at this fidget toy. So yeah, let's see what this thing does. So the Easy Fold has a couple of different ways to fidget with. More with the folding. It has about 10 different folding forms. It has this thing. You can fold it this way into a sort of box shape, and then you can open it up into a star shape. And then it has this portable mode, which is just for putting into your pocket. Just that backside. And then this is its most common form, is this thing. And then there's also another thing. I call this thing the staircase, but what it's mostly for is just doing that with your fingers. It's kind of fun, kind of fidgety, kind of like it. Really, just kidding, I really like it. And this thing is kind of weird. Just trying to remember these things. This thing I called the lips. I don't know, it kind of looks like a mouth from the inside. So, yeah. Yeah, that's what it does. Let's see how to build it in the next video. So, yeah. Thank you for watching the Easy Fold.